I just got through hooking up my train horn on my truck, and I thought I'd show how I did it. Got me a little toolbox here at Tractor Supply. I paid $200 for it, but it's the perfect size. As I open it up, inside here we have a 12-gallon tank for air. And what I did, I ran the air hose down through here, through behind the glass, between the glass and the box, went underneath to the horns, which I'll show a picture of it in a minute. Started out, mounted the tank. Then here is my compressor that pumps up to 200, but I have it set on a switch, pressure switch. It maxes out, shuts off at 150 pounds. Here is the solenoid, which sends the air to the horns. Here's my wiring that goes to the inside of the vehicle, my horn button. And in this case, for now, I put the switch right here, which comes out underneath here, to turn the compressor off if I want it to just stay off. Then I have a hook up here that I put on where I can use for airing up tires. And I have a pressure switch here where I can set the pressure. I'm going to put it on, I'll say 50 pounds is all I need. If I go to airing up a tire, I don't need over 50 pounds. I don't want to put too much pressure on this line because I'm not sure how much pressure it's good for. And then here is my gauge, which shows the 150 pounds. And here's a pop-off valve for a high pressure limit, which is set at 175 pounds, just so we don't have any catastrophes. And then that pretty much shows that inside the box. And I just locked that. Let me get down and I'll show you the horn just a second. Alright, we'll get under here. I took my spare tire out and mounted the horns under here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 5 bugles. They fit pretty well up in this cavity. I'm going to come across on my frame, weld me a piece of steel across it, so no one will be able to get up in here and steal my horns. And here's the air hose. You can see it there where it comes in and goes back to the back of the horns here. I'll give it a toot. It's rough getting out from under this thing at my age, but doesn't make a bad looking appearance. Okay, maybe you can hear it on the, here, I'll give it a toot. It's obviously loud enough. That's about it.